a PNP will always be a PNP. My party, step up is good.
The election campaign has kicked off, and this campaign is expected to be a very heated battle. And so today, in this video, we're going to ask the question, is Jamaica a PNP country? The People's National Party was created in 1938 as Jamaica's first political party. Created by the Right Excellent Norman Washington Manley, the PNP is rooted in the ideology of socialism.
National Party that has laid the firm foundations for prosperity in Jamaica.
Now, one of the reasons many have claimed that Jamaica is PNP country is because of their performances over the years in general elections.
They have been calling for elections for a long time now. Them get it now, and them go and get a whipping at the polls, at the polls, at the polls.
The PNP has scored some very big victories in general elections, causing many to say that Jamaica is indeed PNP country. In 1993, they took home 52 of the 60 seats in Parliament. In 97, it was another landslide with 50 of the 60 seats. 1976, they took home 47, and in 1989, 45 of the 60 seats went to the PNP. The PNP has given Jamaica 3 prime ministers. Michael Manley was elected in 1972, 76, and again in 1989. P.J. Patterson has won 3 consecutive terms, making the PNP the longest serving party in Jamaica with 18 and a half years of unbroken service. The PNP has also given Jamaica its only female leader, with Portia Simpson Miller leading the party to victory in 2016. And so the simple question that we would like to ask today is this: are there more supporters of the PNP than the JLP? Is Jamaica PNP country? Let me know in the comment section. Remember, you can like this video, share, and subscribe to our channel. We celebrate the Jamaican culture abroad and abroad. And of course, feel free to join our channel membership as well. Jamfet, celebrating the Jamaican culture abroad